I'm Anita Nderu, and here's the news in 2 minutes. International Criminal Court Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda says her office will not entertain any efforts to interfere with her witnesses. Addressing the 14th session of the Assembly of State Parties on Wednesday, Bensouda said the court will continue taking action against individuals interfering with the course of justice. So far, 3 Kenyans are wanted by the ICC for alleged interference with prosecution witnesses. Bensouda and other ICC officials had asked the court to ignore Kenya's request to discuss an audit of procurement of ICC witnesses and application of Rule 68 in the case against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang. However, the plenary adopted Kenya's agenda and the 2 issues will be discussed on Friday. Floods occasioned by the El Nino rains currently pounding parts of the country has claimed 7 lives in Homa Bay County. The County Commissioner Kasim Farah says the affected sub-counties include Suba, Homa Bay and Diwa. Addressing a press conference in Homa Bay Town, the County Commissioner announced that the national and county governments have not released any disaster funds. In the meantime, he is asking the locals living in flood-prone areas to move to higher grounds to avert further loss of lives. Lastly, a plane carrying 161 passengers from Poland to Egypt was forced to make an emergency landing in eastern Bulgaria earlier today because of a bomb scare. The aircraft had been en route to Warsaw to the Red Sea resort of Hurghada when one of the travelers, a man in his 60s, announced there were explosives on board. The aircraft had been en route to Warsaw to the Red Sea resort of Hurghada when one of the travelers, a man in his 60s, announced there were explosives on board. The passengers were evacuated from the aircraft and Bulgarian security forces conducted an extensive search of the plane. The man who sparked the incident has been taken into custody. And that's your Capital TV online news. For the latest on these and other stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Capital FM Kenya.